guys, so today we are going to make raspberry water. Yeah, it's actually really good and it's really healthy. So you need a handful of raspberries, like just a little bit. You need a microwavable safe bowl. That's really not enough. I'll get a couple more. And then you need to wash your raspberries a little bit. Now that your raspberries are washed, you need to, I accidentally put my microwavable safe bowl back in the sink, so I can't use it. I got a new one. You need to put it in the microwave for 5 seconds. Mine only goes lowest to 15, so I would take it out at 10. Be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna hit cook. Okay. You just need them to get a little soft. That's all. I just do that so that I don't have to mush them too much. Okay. Now you can mush them up and put them in your cup. And your hands will get messy. Just wash them off, that's fine. And then you need to fill your cup up with water. I'm using Deer Park water. They're not sponsored, but they should sponsor me. Okay. And then you need a spoon. And you're gonna mix it up. Something else. Hold on, I'm just rinsing out my sifter. Okay. And then you need another cup. And you need one kind of the same size as yours, or it's gonna overflow. Okay. And then I'm just gonna pour it through my sifter into the other cup, so that you only have your good stuff. Hold on. No! Now I'm gonna have to redo this because I got some of the pulpiness part of the raspberries in it. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. Okay. Take these out. One more time. I got it. More back there. Hold on, guys. This shouldn't happen to you, but I'm a little messy, so happened. But it probably won't happen to you guys. Definitely won't happen to you because you're not messy and I'm messy. So, there we go. Got it. And it's pink. I can't show you. Now it's time for the taste test. I don't know. I'm not sure if you hear, but if you do, we have Shake It Off music going on right now. Let me put everything back. And don't forget to put your stuff back, guys, because I don't think your parents would appreciate that. I'm fine. Don't worry. That was loud, but I am fine. Okay. And this is my good drink. And there it is. Good healthy drink. Bye hugs. Bye kisses.